Good morning children, welcome to your maths class. Today we will start lesson number 5, data handling. You must be thinking, what is data handling? Don't worry my children, it's very easy topic. You already know it, aware of counting from KG1, isn't it? You can count things. You will see in page number 128, few fruits are given. You have to count and write in page number 128 where apple is written. You will count the apple section. You can see in the page. Let me count one by one and you have to tick so that you will not count one fruit twice. 1, 2. So you will tick also so that you can not repeat again. 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can see here 6 apples are there. You will write, you can count from the stick also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you can write it here. Or you can directly count from, you can also count with the apples given in the page. Now come to the second one. Read the fruit. O-R-A-N-G-E. That is orange. You can see where is orange? Next to apples. Now you can count. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 oranges were there. So we have drawn 4 ticks here. Now you can count from tick also, or you can count from the given picture of oranges. Now you will write 4 in front of orange. Next is papaya. And you can see only 3 papayas are there. Let us count together. 1, 2, 3. So we will draw here 3 tick, and now we will write 3 in front of papaya. Now come to the next fruit, that is banana. We all like banana, isn't it? There are many bananas. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 7 bananas are there. First of all, let me take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now I will write 7 bananas. In this way, we have to write in front of the given fruits. Let us come to the second question. Second question is, you can see in page number 129, Rehan made a list of items he wants to buy from the supermarket. List is written here: milk 3 packets, chocolate 4 bars, sugar 5 packets, biscuit 3 packets, eggs, number of eggs are 6. This is the list, but we will now check in the cart of Rehan whether he has kept all the things according to the list. See in the picture, first one is done for you, that is milk. In the cart you can see 2 milk packets are there. It is already done for you. 2 is written there. Now we will come to the next section, that is chocolate. You have to observe minutely because different packets chocolates are there. See properly the card and you write. You will get 1 in yellow and 2 in brown packet chocolates are there. Total 3 numbers are there of chocolate. 3 packets are there. So you will write 3 in front of chocolate. Sugar. Now come to the third one, that is sugar. Here also different color of packets are kept. One is brown and others are white and green. If we count like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we can find that 5 numbers of packets of sugars are there. Sugar. So we will write 5. Now come to the next, which is biscuit. Here also yellow colored packet is there of biscuit and brown colored packet are there. So you have to count properly and you will get 5 packet biscuits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So you will write 5. And now you have to count eggs. There are only 5 eggs. Let us count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you will write 5. In this, your observation skill is judged. So observe the card properly and write it properly. Now what you have to do, you have to compare the list of Rehan and the quantity which is kept in card. You can see here the list is written here and the quantity which are in card are written here. Rehan has kept 1 packet less because in list 3 packets were there and he has kept 2. So in this way he has kept 1 less. Sugar, 5 packets are there and he has kept 5. This is, he has done right. Eggs here 6 are written in list and he has kept only 5. Again he has done mistake. Chocolate, here 4 bars are written and he has kept 3 bars. Again he has done mistake. Biscuit, here 3 packets are written and he has kept 5. In this way you can see that he has made few mistakes. So you have to count the number of each item in the card. In book you have to do it this section only. Okay? Hope you understood how to observe the diagram and write the numbers correctly. Thank you.